you're here, either you are a new blogger or want to start using WordPress for your website. Do you know 34% of all the websites on the internet are powered by WordPress? We try to list down some of the problems that you can avoid as a new WordPress user. Number 1. Choosing the wrong platform. So there is WordPress.com, a blog hosting service from WordPress, and then there is WordPress, a self-hosting open source platform. You can use WordPress.com service to host small blogs. Whereas if you need more control and power in your hand, choose self-hosted WordPress. Paying for the services you do not need. To start with a WordPress website, you only need a domain name and a hosting service. The problem is that many hosting providers try to sell other services that are not necessarily required. For instance, privacy protection, security services, and more. You can purchase such services later as and when required. Choosing the right hosting plan is also important when using WordPress. As a beginner, you can always go with a shared hosting account and upgrade later as and when needed. Using the default username. The default user admin should always be deleted. You should do this to avoid brute force attacks on your website. Not choosing an appropriate theme. One of the many reasons why WordPress is the platform of choice for many is the availability of themes. Choose a theme as per your requirement. There is a theme available for almost anything. Also make sure your themes are responsive and fast. Not choosing the right permalink structure. Permalinks is the URL structure for your content. By default, it uses the date format, which is not at all SEO friendly and can impact your rankings. Go to settings and change it to post name. Staying with default demo content. WordPress installs some default demo content whenever you make a new installation. It's always advisable to delete this content before search engines index them. Reason? Would you like someone to search your brand and find a Hello World page? Not choosing the right plugin. Another reason why people choose WordPress as the platform of choice for website development is the availability of plugins for almost any task. Make sure the plugins you install are from reliable sources and have good rating. Ignoring WordPress updates. Always make sure that you update your WordPress site whenever a new version is available. Not updating the WordPress website leaves your website vulnerable to security breaches. Forgetting to use categories and tags properly. Always make sure all the content on your website has proper categories and tags. Finally, not paying attention to website speed and performance. Website speed and performance is important not only for your user experience but also for your search engine rankings. This presentation was brought to you by Sinotech, a CRM, web and mobile application development company.